Air shopping for a water timer, 2-zone. We're going to show you how to set it up and demonstrate. So let's open up this box, show you what it looks like. Inside the box, this is everything that you get. You get Teflon tape, nicely wrapped up with your 2 connection hoses. The instruction guide, you can simply go over how to set up. And then the 2-zone water timer. On the back of the unit, this area you're going to pull and place in 2 AA batteries. It is weather sealed and protected. Pressure holds it in. The unit has a nice large display saying off and the battery indicator. We have a dial that goes to auto, watering now, zone 1, zone 2, and back to the now time. You simply set the clock up by turning to the set clock. You have a positive and a negative, a 12-hour, 24-hour, OK, and a zone. So we're going to hold down the plus, that's this button right here, that says delay, and change it to 24 hours and hold it down to 12 hours. We click OK for the 12 hours, and then we set up at 10 o'clock. It is actually 9:51. I hit the back button for 9, OK, and the back button for 51. OK. Continue to hit OK, and your clock is set up, and you could go to automatic. It is 9:52. Switches between the cycle modes and the time. We want to start our timer by going to the start time. If we want our unit to start up at 10 o'clock, we hit the plus, OK, the minutes, and subtract 2, 10 o'clock. If you hold it, it goes fast, or press a single, it'll go like so. Press OK. You want to also do the zone 1 and 2. We are on zone 1. We're all set up. How long? I could do it for a minute. I could hold it down. All the way up to an hour. So say we want to water for 10 minutes, hit OK. And how often? We have every 1 hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12 hours. And we could go to days, up to 7 days. And then we have the off. We're all set up. Put it on automatic. At 10 o'clock, zone 1 will go on. If we want to do zone 2, we simply set up zone 2. We have here the time, zone 2. We go to the start time for zone 2 by going start time and hitting the zone. And then we repeat the same exact information going through the start, how long, how often, and then just go to automatic. At 10 o'clock, the unit will make a noise. The machine clicked on, and it's watering, showing you the watering cycle. After 10 minutes, the machine will shut off. If you want to manually water, pick the zone you want, 1 or 2, long press the button, and it'll water for 10 minutes. Press the button again, it should shut off. This is your Teflon tape. Wrap it around your opening. Take your watering valves, place on, and you're set up. Plug into your irrigation system or directly to your hoses. On the top of the unit, you have a strainer and where your hose goes through, and you simply turn. This is your timer. You're simply going to unscrew, place on, and set up your irrigation system. You simply just come over here, choose your zone, and hit the manual, and you can water for 10 minutes. I hope this is a product that you're looking for to watering your gardening and needs. Enjoy your product if this gardening tool is right for you.